Well, hello there, welcome back to another video. We have talked about different types of MCP setups and AI model setups regarding the Kali Linux or penetration testing, or you can say Gitra MCP, whatever it is. Okay, we have done talks regarding different types of MCP server. And today we are going to set off a HexStrike MCP server. This is a most powerful MCP server which is totally different from others. Like, obviously, Hermes is a different thing, but this is only for offensive security based tool. I mean, offensive security based project. As you can see, it is already written here AI driven offensive security tool. Okay. And about HexStrike, you can check here that HexStrike is a revolutionary AI powered offensive security framework that combine professional security tools and autonomous agent to deliver comprehensive security test capability or testing capability. Okay, that means what it do, it uses some tools that are pre-given or pre-fitted over here and install in your system. That tools, it uses those tools for like doing offensive security analysis, penetration testing, reconnaissance, or you can say enumeration on the target what we have given. Okay. And if I'm going to show you the number of tools that it uses. Okay, let me show you here what are the number of tools it uses. Hmm. Okay, so here for network security it uses Nmap, Rust Scan, Mass Scan, okay, MS enumeration, then web application tool that is Go Buster, then this one Ferox Buster, FUF, Nuclei, and SQL map, WP scan, Gitra, Radar, and other different set tools are there that are used for separate type of task. These are for binary analysis, these are for cloud security, above are for web application tools, and these are for network security. Okay, and now in this video we are going to set up this HexStrike MCP server with our Kali Linux, including, sorry, with the VS Code. Okay, very easy setup, very easy to do. Let's get started. And yeah, if you are new here in this channel, we upload different types of setup videos like MCP servers and different other videos, so you can check those. Okay, and also I have brought to you a P4 vulnerability series. The series is already completed and we are planning for P3 vulnerability series. For that I need 500 subscribers, so do it right now, do subscribe, so that we are going to make a P3 vulnerability series, total video of 10 to 15 videos finding P3 categorized bugs. Okay, so yeah, without any further delay, let's get started. So first thing what you have to do is, obvious thing is that you need to this tool in your Linux. Okay, just pull this tool into inside your Linux terminal. So what I have done, I have already done the pulling. Okay, so like if I do ls over here, you are able to see this one where it is. Yeah, this is HexStrike AI. So how to do it, you might have know about the means knowledge about this. Just git clone and the URL that you have copied. Okay, then press enter, so it will be pulling the folder or the tool into your terminal. Okay, as I have already done, so it is telling that fatal because destination path already existing. So I will clear the screen, will move to or move inside the HexStrike AI, and I will do ls. You are able to see different tools, files and folders are available. Now the installation proper steps are given over here also, like what you have to do the git clone. Okay, then cd HexStrike. Then what you have to do, you have to create a virtual environment. Okay, after creating a virtual environment, install the requirements. Creating virtual environment and installing the requirement, that is the installing requirement is pip3. Okay, install -r requirements.txt. It will install all the requirement tools or modules from the requirement.txt file. Okay, after you have done this thing, then you have to start up the tool basically. Okay, the HexStrike AI tool or server, you have to start the server. For that the command is python, okay, 3 HexStrike server dot py, then you press enter. Okay, it will be started, but it is not starting over here because every setup are done using virtual environment. Okay, So I have to go inside the virtual environment so that I can start each and every tool. It is telling that the module Selenium is not available, but Selenium is already installed. If I can show you over here, Selenium NIEUM, it is not showing, but it is already installed. Let me show you the thing. Okay, so here I have already created a virtual environment. How to create the command is already given over here. Okay, copy this one, first command, then activating is the second command. Okay, then you will see this thing. Okay, HexStrike -env, that is your virtual environment inside your terminal. Okay, and if I'm going to type here python hexstrike.py, no file, sorry, now you see it is started. Okay, we previously it was not starting because everything is set up inside the virtual environment, so that's why. Okay, create virtual environment, you have to work inside this virtual environment, not directly in your terminal. Okay, so this is the thing of starting the server is already started. Now the main thing is that configuration with your VS code. For that, let me show you how to do it, and you have to do here, like inside here only. Okay, firstly you have to create your .vs code file or folder inside this HexStrike AI folder. Okay, mkdir.vs code and press enter. I have already created, that's why it will not create again. Then what you have to do, you have to create another file inside that vs code folder that you have created. As it is .vs code, that is the root folder, it will not be visible when you type ls. Okay, if I type here ls, it will not be visible because it is a root folder and it's hidden. So what you have to do, you have to type here nano.vs code and mcp.json file. Okay, then press enter. Now you have to set up like this, like copy this thing, like here you have to change this thing to your path, whatever the username or path you have. So here you can directly copy it from this GitHub. Okay, here you will get two things, that is firstly for Claude desktop integration and there is VS Code integration. As I am using VS Code, I will be using this integration. Okay, and just do the same setup. Okay, and just change the path here. Okay, you have to change the path of which folder or like in which directory you are using the HexStrike MCP.py file. I mean, the HexStrike MCP file is present, you have to set that one. Okay, in my case it is home moonlight, then this. Okay, after you have done this one, then save this one, control X. Okay, it's done. Now what you have to do, you have to start your VS code inside over here. So for that we have to type your code space dot and enter. It is started. Now you have to start the HexStrike server. Means inside this folder you have to do each and every setup that it will be working. Outside outside also you can do that one, but inside you will not get any type of error basically. Okay, so yeah, here we are, and let me go to the extensions. Or what you can do is, here is the your like above, that is your configuration option. Okay, click over here, you can see this empty server is written. Pressing little bit difficult, wait a minute. Yeah, MCP server is written. I will click over here. Here you are able to see your HexStrike MCP server setup is already there. If this setup will not be showing to you, that means there is a issue with your configuration. What the configuration what you have done. Okay, just right click over here, start the server. Okay, then here you are able to see the state, like it will be starting or not running or whatever it is. Okay, just wait a minute, it will get started. So as you can see, it is already started. Okay, and obviously here also you can see different types of pull command what it is going to pull. Okay, like if I am going asking it, suppose for example, here I am going to asking it like use the HexStrike MCP server and list out the tools available here and check the health. Okay, so it will gonna do two things. First thing, it will gonna pull all the tools that are used by the HexStrike MCP server. Second thing, it is gonna check the health. That means is it properly connected or not, or having some configuration issue, or each and every tools or pull requests are properly working or not. Okay. So yeah, just give me a minute. So what I'm going to do, I will always allow. Okay, so here is the status we have got. The status is healthy and uptime, CPU, memory consumption, overall thing. Total available 62, total registered 127. That means some of the tools are not installed in my system. That is the thing. Okay, and total registered are to 127 tool it gonna use, but 62 are only present in my system. And available tools are this much available tool, like aircrack is there, airplay is there, airmon is there, aerodom, amas, and then autopsy, Burp Suite, and different tools. Some of the tools I think these are new to me, like I think this one, uh ANGR, I think it's a angry IP scanner, something kind of that, I don't know exactly. So yeah, different tools are there. So okay, so now what we're gonna do is we are going to solve a lab of port trigger. Okay, and let me show you how it help us to solve a lab or do penetration testing regarding different types of targets. Okay, and all the links I'm going to share you over the description regarding the GitHub link, the website link, and each and every link. Okay, so I will do one thing. Let go with path transversal. Challenge me. Okay, here is the lab. Okay, that contain a path transversal vulnerability. So I'm just copying the URL and I will be asking here to the MCP, that is use HexStrike MCP and solve the path transversal vulnerability here. I will paste the link. Do enter. Now let's see what it gonna do. And let me show you. Here also it is gonna pull different types of request. You can check like it is like log. Okay, log system. Like what are the requests it gonna pull, which time it is pulling, which date it is pulling. Okay, the full logs will be showing here in your terminal. Okay. Here also you can see this side, but still, let's see what it does. So now as you can see, it is running some HTTP framework to check if it is like valid or not, and it is running some tools checks and other thing, including this one. You can see here it has used a image thing, okay, for like doing the file path transversal. Okay, for this one. Okay, so it has found a path transfer vulnerability, but I need to check that it has solved the lab or not. So yeah, as you can see, the lab is already solved. Okay, so here is the technique, like you can use the tool, that is HexStrike MCP, for doing different type of penetration testing tool. The previous one, like about the Hermes agent is fully different. You can check the video. I have taught about each and every setup, including how you can you can create your bot that is connected to the Hermes agent of your laptop, and directly you can chat via WhatsApp or Telegram or whatever the configuration you can set up. Okay, and this is totally different because this is a fully offensive type of thing. Okay, and it is like you can go to their website and check details of more thing, like what it does, how it work, and each and everything. And yeah, that's it about the setup and working. If you have any type of doubt regarding the setup or facing any type of issue, then you can comment it down. I'm gonna surely help you out. And yeah, please, if you like the video, if you love it, if you love the content, do like and subscribe. It gives a huge amount of motivation for bringing more content like this, more research and more videos. Okay. In future, I'm planning to bring some professional level network security based videos. Okay, but for that I need motivation. The motivation come from the like and subscription. So yeah, that's it. And we have to reach 500 for a P3 series, right? So yeah, please do it. Okay. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.